off of the last show. You've got to be feeling incredible.
Which, if you don't mind, I'm gonna take this from you. On behalf of me and him, first off, I want to apologize to you for any disrespect we may have given to you this past year. As for you people, we also apologize to you.
Thank you! We love you!
But most of all, we thank you.
Woo!
We thank you guys for seeing the potential in who we are. And man, it feels good. And thank you guys for realizing that we were being dragged and held down by two of the most toxic professional wrestlers I've ever met in my entire life. But with that being said, about a year ago, Sage Chance and I were sitting right around here with you guys, watching the show, begging and hoping that one day we will be able to get inside of this ring and show who we are. Sorry guys, I'm extremely emotional.
Hold it together!
I will. All of you guys looked over us. All of the guys in the back looked over us. You thought we were clowns, but two people didn't think so. And those two were Milk Chocolate.
Milk Chocolate gave us an opportunity. Milk Chocolate promised us the world. They said they were going to make us stars, succulent. Actually, they said they wanted to breed the next generation of tag team wrestling.
Bullshit!
Little did we know that that entitled doing all of their dirty work, them blaming us for all of their shortcomings, them gaslighting us into thinking that we're failures.
Hell no! Hell no!
And even after all that mental abuse was not enough for them. They came out here month after month and publicly embarrassed us. Wiping their feet on our backs, smacking us in the face, coming in, spitting in my face.
Exactly! And what do? We dealt with it, and we did it all for Milk Chocolate. We did!
We did everything!
And then they tried to negatively compare us to you people. If they say we're like your people, then you know what? I'm damn fine with it. I think the Slimeballz are perfect just the way we are.
Hell yeah!
Milk Chocolate, you want to come out here after all this time and say that we're not succulent? You're goddamn right, we're not! We don't want to be like Milk Chocolate. We're not succulent. We are not Milk Chocolate.
Hell no!
We are Sage Chance and Tommy Rant, the Slimeballz!